boys and girls, welcome to Chord Guitar. I'm happy to present Wish Wednesday for you, alright guys? So it's Wednesday, you wish for songs, and now I have Graham here with a song called Love Like Kids. Okay, so it's you, Julie Norris, you wish for this one. I know Graham has a huge following, and perhaps you were one of them, I believe so. So this one is special for you, Julie, and all you Graham fans. Let's go into Love Like Kids. Alright, you can see here the setup. We have the capo on second. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have 4 chords with that. So let's go into the chords first. We're gonna start with the C major 7. Okay, very easy to grip that one. It's third on A, second on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. Okay? The next chord will be G, and for this specific song, we're gonna go with very easy, bass, heavy G chord, alright? So what we're gonna use now is the same fingers and almost the same grip as the C major. You're just gonna move up 1 string, that's it. So you land on the 3rd fret E string, second A, and then open D, open G, open B, and open E. For this use of chord here, this G chord, I would avoid to play on the last E string if I can. Start in bass here and try to stop as well on the B string down there. That is what I'm aiming for, okay? It doesn't hurt too much if you go all the way down, but I will try to stop at the B string. Anyway, that's the G chord. Next is the D, and we're gonna use this C-shaped D chord. So that will be to play the 5th on A string, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be E minor. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so first we need to learn the strumming pattern. So if we grab the first chord, the C major 7, it goes like this for 1 round. Okay, so that will be to play down, down, up, down, up. So the first 2 downs, I like to play the first down on the bass strings to really mark out what chord I'm playing. Like this, short kick there. And then I answer in the mid-high area with the next down. So the first 2 downs, like this. And then I continue with up, down, up, still in the mid-high area of strings down here. Okay, so that is how 1 string round goes. So down, down, up, down, up. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds here to understand how it sounds together. So let's go. And so on. All right, so we're ready for the song, and we have this intro play here, and it's about 4 notes to start with, and that follows with some strumming afterwards. So let's go into the notes, and we find them on the B string. It is the open B, the 1st B, the 3rd B, and 1st B. So that is how the intro starts, and it goes like this. So I do the open and 1st B like the hammer-on technique. So I play the open B string, and then I hammer on to get the 1st. So I don't pick that 1st B. So, and then I pick the rest. And once you play that 4 notes, you're gonna play the first chord, the C major. You're gonna play 1 string around, the down, down, up, plus 1 down. Okay, so together the C part goes like this. So slowly. Okay, so notes, 1 string around plus 1 down. And that down takes us to the next chord, which is the G now. And you're going to start that again with the melody. So the first 4 notes there. And then you go into the strumming of G. 1 strum around plus 1 down. And then you go back again to play the C part. It starts with the melody. one string around plus one extra down. And the final time now, when you play the G, you're just gonna play two string rounds, no melody. Two rounds. So that is the intro. I'm gonna take you through it, just play so you understand how it goes. Let's go. So that is the intro. Let's go into the actual song now, starting with the first verse. And what you're going to do here is to play C major 7 for two string rounds and G for two string rounds. You're going to go back and forth for 2 rounds. So C2, G2, C2, G2. That is how I handle the verse. Let's do it together. Then comes the pre-chorus. It's about 34 seconds in, drifting out of touch. That's where we are in the lyrics. What you're gonna do now is to go to the D chord and play 2 string rounds plus 1 down and a big pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. So D, 2 plus 1 extra down and a pause like this. There comes the chorus. Okay, so only that, D2 plus down, and that takes us into the first chorus. So sneaking out of windows, that is where we are in the lyrics. It happens about 42 seconds in. You're gonna play C2, then G2, then D2, E minor 1, and back to D1. All that is one chord progression. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So C2, then G2, then D2, E minor 1, and D1 again. So there you have 2 rounds of that. And from now on, there is just repetition, my friends. We have the second verse that comes right after here. You're going to play exactly in the same way, C2, G2 for 2 rounds. Then you have the pre-chorus, the second one, exactly the same again as the first pre-chorus. And then we have this second and last chorus. Again, just repetition. C2, G2, D2, E minor 1, D1. And as soon as you play 2 rounds of that, the last 1 round of D, you're gonna end after that D and play 1 down on this C major 7. And with that 1 down on this C, you have finished Graham's Love Like Kids. All right, I really enjoy to do these days, Wednesdays, when you wish for songs and I can satisfy you with those. So I hope you, Julie, Norris, especially you who wished for this one, are happy with this. Very simple song to play, 4 chords with the capo on second. That is the perfect scenario. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and all of you Graham fans. Till next time, guys, play tuned.